Order number 27 stands in the name of Senator Mushtaq Ahmad. However, Senator Mia Muhammad Atiq Sheikh, Maulana Abdul Ghafoor Edri, Maulana Faiz Muhammad, Sirajul Haq and Kamran Michael have also given notices of the resolution on the same matter. Their resolution stands clubbed with the instant resolution. Now, Senator Mushtaq Ahmad, please move the resolution.
Mr. Chairman, I beg to move the following resolution. The Senate of Pakistan expresses its deepest dismay and shock on the vicious and contemptuous act of burning and desecrating the Holy Quran in Norway by the member of SIAN, a right-wing Islamophobic Norwegian group which has shocked the Muslims around the world. The Senate of Pakistan strongly condemns this act of being hateful, vicious, and contrary to the principle of international law laid down in several instruments, including the UN General Assembly Resolution number 36/55 of 25th November 1981, Article 81 of the International Convention on Civil and Political Rights, Article 18 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the European Court of Human Rights and European Guideline on Freedom of Religion and Belief, the General Assembly Resolution 56/6 of 9th November 2001 on Global Agenda for Dialogue Among Civilization, and the resolution of the UN Commission on Human Rights 2005/40. The House consider that this viciously irresponsible act of the member of this infamous SIAN is calculated to harm interfaith harmony, communal peace, religious tolerance, and ultimately global peace and tranquility. The Senate of Pakistan resolved to stand for upholding the globally recognized principle highlighted above and expresses the collective will of state and people of Pakistan against the vicious act of desecration of Holy Quran by the member of SIAN and other Islamophobes. Therefore, the Senate of Pakistan urges the Muslim to stay calm and refuse to be intimidated by the hate-mongering Islamophobes and spread Islam's message of peace, tolerance and universal brotherhood. Call upon the government of Pakistan to summon the ambassador of Norway and convey the Senate the sense of shock and anguish felt by the people of Pakistan against the act of SIAN, to impress upon the Norwegian authorities for taking lawful action against those who desecrated the Holy Quran in Oslo on 19 November 2019, to direct its diplomatic staff in Norway to provide appropriate legal and moral assistance to the Muslims who have been arrested in the incident, and to use all political and diplomatic channels to ensure that such incidents are not repeated in the UN member states. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
I now put the resolution before the House. Those who are in favor of the resolution may say aye. Those against the resolution may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The resolution is passed unanimously.